Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Garcia again. Ready for another story time? Well, I am, and today we have a really good book, which I know you guys are gonna go crazy over because it's one of y'all's favorites at school, and every time we read this kind of book, y'all get really excited. So, you ready? Okay, here is the book we're reading today. The pigeon wants a puppy. And the pigeon is saying, I really do. And since we're talking about puppies, guess who's back? She loved our story time so much that she came back. It is Zoe. Look at her. Right there. Let's see. There she is. Laying down, because that's comfortable for her, on her blanket with her listening ears on. Thought since we were reading a book with a puppy, like we did last time, Zoe likes puppy books. All right. So, this book was written, the author and the illustrator. The illustrator is the person who draws the pictures. The illustrator is the person who drew the picture of the pigeon. Yeah, they draw all the pictures that we see in the book. That person's name is Mo Williams. Mo Williams is also the author of this book. So he writes all the words. So Mo Williams is the author. He wrote the words and he drew the pictures all in this book. Okay? All right, so let's go over our parts of the book. Yeah? We always have to. That way you guys always remember. This is the front of the book. This is the back of the book. And this is called the spine. And the author and illustrator of this book is Mo Williams. Okay. The Pigeon Wants a Puppy. That's the title. Oh, hello, says the pigeon. How are you? He's asking, how are you? How are you today? I'm feeling good. How are you feeling? I'm fine. Thanks for asking. By the way, do you know what I want? Do you remember what the pigeon wants? What I've wanted forever. He's saying forever. Forever is a long time. Well, at least since last Tuesday. He's saying, well, at least since last Tuesday. A puppy! Oh, look. The exclamation point. Remember, when there's an exclamation point, that means that they're saying it really loud. So he's saying, a puppy! Puppy, 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 puppy. And look, there's 3 exclamation points. 1, 2, 3. Oh, don't worry. I'll take care of it. He says he'll take care of it. I promise I'll water it once a month. Once a month? Do you water a puppy? Like a plant? No, I don't do that with Zoe. What? Say what? Everybody knows that puppies need plenty of sunshine and water. Yes, puppies do need sunshine, but they need to go outside. And yes, they do need water. Oh, I get it. You don't want me to be happy, do you? Do we want the pigeon to be happy? I do. You don't want me to take a piggyback ride on my puppy. I don't know if puppies would like to have someone, a bird on their back. Or play tennis with it. Or play tennis. Yeah, I don't know if I could play tennis with a bird or a dog. You just don't understand. I'm a puppy-loving pigeon. Oh, so he really likes puppies. I mean, I understand. I have 2 dogs. I love dogs. If I could have more, I would, but I don't have space. I love dogs. I understand. Oh, puppies. Little hearts. He's thinking about puppies. That's how I feel when I think about my dogs. Oh my goodness. Ready? Look at the pigeon. How does he look? Does he look happy, sad, or angry? What do you think? I think that he looks a little angry. Let's see what the words say. I want a puppy right here, right now. And look, there's 1, 2, 3 exclamation points. See, that means he's yelling. Woof. What was that? Woof, woof. Is it possible? Have my dreams come true? So have his dreams come true? Woof. And then look at that. There's a lot. There's 3 exclamation points. It says, ah! It's huge. Oh, exclamation point. Oh, look, there's some more right here too. The teeth, the hair, the wet nose, slobber, the claws. I mentioned the teeth, right? Really, I had no idea. So he had no idea that puppies have all that, or doggies. Oh, look at the puppy. Looks like he wants to play. The pigeon says, I've changed my mind. So I guess he doesn't want a puppy after all. Look at it. He's going away. I want a walrus now. Oh, he wants a walrus. Oh. Wait. It says 2 pigeon, 1 walrus. So now he wants a walrus. So did the pigeon like the puppy after all when he got it? He thought that's what he wanted. But then when he got it, he didn't like it after all. So he changed his mind. And it's okay to change your mind every once in a while. Yeah? All right, boys and girls. Well, Zoe fell fast asleep during her story time. She didn't even stay awake. Look, she's on her blankie, on her spot. And she's sleeping. Well, our story time is now over. I'm so glad that I'm able to do these videos with you guys and you guys are able to see me. I miss all of you so much. I hope you're doing well. And until I see you guys again on my next video, all right? I'm going to give you all a big hug. See, look, I'm giving you all a big hug. All right. Bye, boys and girls.